Look at how aggressively the global off-road SUV market is shifting right now. For the past few years, high-end Boxy off-roaders dominated the premium price brackets, leaving budget-conscious buyers completely stranded in the cold. But Chery's high-tech sub-brand, Jetour, is officially shattering the status quo with a massive, heavy-hitting tactical weapon. This is the all-new 2027 Jetour Freedom 7 Plus, and it is stepping directly into the arena to completely rewrite the rules of the terrain. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and as the core brand face of this channel, we are bypassing the generic dealership marketing talk to deliver a clinical, line-by-line data analysis of this upcoming mechanical disruptor. Scheduled to smash into the market on June 26th, this is not just another soft city crossover masquerading as an adventurer. This is a highly calculated, incredibly aggressive engineering play designed to permanently destabilize legacy off-road platforms. Let's break down the data. Let's isolate the financial and structural physics of this vehicle because the corporate pricing matrix is an absolute shockwave to the system. Jetour is launching this machine with a targeted price tag of roughly 100,000 RMB, which translates to an unbelievable, highly disruptive $14,000 on the global stage. Look at the physical architecture here. The Freedom 7 Plus proudly adopts a raw, highly functional, box-shaped silhouette that takes direct visual aim at the Pacer livery, the Great Wall Tank 300. But do not think this low price equals cheap construction. The vehicle boasts a rugged, high-rigidity cage body structure featuring a bold, multi-slat front grille, squared-off geometric wheel arches, and heavy-duty protective undercladding. It delivers an incredible 220 millimeters of ground clearance, combined with optimized approach and departure angles designed specifically to clear severe trail obstacles while maintaining an imposing, wide-body road presence that looks twice its actual price tag. Step into the cabin, because this is exactly where Jetour completely shatters the unrefined, uncomfortable interiors of traditional old-school off-roaders. The engineering team has masterfully fused a rugged trail identity with a highly sophisticated, hyper-intelligent digital command center that feels incredibly premium. The absolute centerpiece of this entire cockpit is the massive, ultra-responsive 15.6-inch high-definition central touchscreen running natively on the high-performance Snapdragon 8155 processing chip. Because of this extreme computing backbone, the graphical interface is fluid and instantaneous, processing complex 3D off-road maps and real-world vehicle telemetry with smartphone-like speed and absolutely zero lag. The environmental engineering here is equally phenomenal. The entire passenger cell features specialized SPF 100 desert-grade thermal protective glass, which actively blocks out extreme external heat and harsh UV rays, keeping the interior exceptionally cool and whisper-quiet even in the most scorching conditions. Surrounding the chassis is a dense suite of high-precision radars and stereoscopic cameras, powering an advanced Level 2 ADAS active safety matrix. With predictive lane centering, intelligent traffic jam pilot, and autonomous emergency braking vectors constantly scanning your surroundings, it effortlessly transforms a rugged trail hunter into a highly serene, hyper-safe driving sanctuary. Now, let's lift the heavy hood and expose the real mechanical soul of this beast, because beneath the skin lies a highly advanced plug-in hybrid architecture. The Freedom 7 Plus completely bypasses high fuel-consuming traditional internal combustion engines to deploy an elite, high-efficiency PHEV powertrain matrix. The performance numbers are staggeringly brutal. The flagship dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration produces a combined system output of 440 kilowatts, which translates to an earth-shattering 590 horsepower instantly available under your right foot. This massive power is managed by the state-of-the-art BorgWarner XWD intelligent four-wheel drive system, which automatically splits torque between the axles in milliseconds based on real-world wheel slip. Paired with a massive battery cell that delivers up to 226 kilometers of pure EV range on the CLTC cycle, it allows you to silently conquer technical mountain passes while completely avoiding the massive fuel bills of its legacy competitors. Here is my definitive tactical verdict. The 2027 Jetour Freedom 7 Plus is a phenomenally calculated, highly dangerous competitor in the off-road segment. By combining the aggressive Boxy style of the Tank 300, a monstrous 590 horsepower hybrid drivetrain, and advanced digital interior tech for an entry point around $14,000, Jetour has created an absolute budget miracle that will leave rivals completely scrambling. If you want to stay permanently ahead of the global automotive curve, decode the newest engineering blueprints, and never miss a deep dive technical analysis, make sure to hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Drop your raw thoughts in the comments below. Can this 100,000 renminbi machine truly dethrone the mighty Tank 300? I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the very next breakdown.